Thank you for tuning in to Savannah in the Kitchen and joining us as Savannah learns how to cook delicious, quick, and easy meals.
Welcome back to Savannah in the Kitchen. Hi, I'm Savannah.
I'm Uncle Jamie. This is your first time here. Welcome. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another one of our videos. Hey Uncle, what's on the menu today?
Today we're making Italian meatballs.
My favorite?
I know. Who doesn't love Italian meatballs?
I do not know.
I don't either. Stick with us and let's see how we do it. Savannah, I've added my ground beef to a medium-sized mixing bowl.
Okay.
You need to use a bowl large enough where you can get in with your ingredients, mix them up real well. Okay?
All right.
All right, well, let's get started. First, we're going to add a half a cup of breadcrumbs. Okay, good. Let's go ahead and add 1 egg. Perfect. Go ahead and start mixing that up a little bit. Get in there and mix it all together. Got to combine it well. All right, now that you've done that, let me start adding our spices. Now, in our recipe down below, we're actually going to put 1/8 of a teaspoon, 1/4 of a teaspoon.
Okay.
But what I like to do, I like to go by feel, and I'll just sprinkle them on. So here we go. A little bit of garlic salt. Some Italian seasoning. Okay. A little bit of black pepper. Well, that looks good. You sure have that mixed up well. How about we start rolling these out?
All right.
So now that we have our ground beef all mixed up, all our ingredients in, let's start rolling them out.
All right.
Okay, full disclosure. That was the first time Savannah's hands ever touched raw ground beef. Wait till you see her washing her hands on the blooper reel. That was wonderful. It was almost going to be as good as these meatballs here. All right, let's go. So we take a little bit of ground beef, maybe 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
And we just shake them. They don't all have to be the same. They don't have to be perfect. Place them on our tray. That's it. We try to keep them about the same size so that they'll cook evenly. While Savannah rolls those out, I'm going to go ahead and preheat our air fryer. You know we like to use our air fryer. I've lined our pan with foil and sprayed it. The meatballs aren't going to stick. The foil is going to help with our cleanup.
Okay.
All right. Now, we're cooking them for, it's going to be around total of 20 minutes.
All right.
But depending on what air fryer you're using, your time may differ. So that also applies to you. Your time may differ from ours. So I would watch them. I would start them out slow, 5-10 minutes, check them, turn them, see how you like them. I happen to like our meatballs with a little crisp on them. You may not. Up to you. Our meatballs have been cooking for about 20 minutes. They actually look like they're doing pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them from the air fryer. But you need to be careful when you're doing this. All right? There's grease on the pan and it is very hot.
All right.
We're using an oven mitt. Oh boy, that is hot. Wow. Oh man, look at that.
They look delicious.
They sure do. Wow. All right, well, how about we get them plated up, then maybe we can get to some lunch?
Yes.
All right, perfect. Let's do that. Some of the meatballs a little bigger than others. We'll eat those.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, there you have it. Air fryer meatballs. Homemade Italian meatballs in the air fryer. No mess. Easy. Savannah can do this anywhere, as we say, if she has an electrical outlet.
Yep.
You like that. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.
See you next week.